How to win money entering competitions. Hoping to win money from competitions? Some people make thousands of pounds a year from winning prizes, and this is how they do it. No, we're not pulling your leg. It really is possible to make good money from entering competitions, and some people do it professionally. There's even a special name for it, comping. Believe us now? What is a comper? If you've ever entered a competition before, you'll know how easy it is to take part. Most of the time, it's just a matter of entering your personal details or answering an easy-peasy multiple-choice question to be in with a chance of winning big bucks. However, compers take this to the next level, entering dozens, sometimes hundreds, of competitions a week as a hobby. They dedicate hours a day to it and sometimes make thousands of pounds a year. Everyone loves winning free stuff, but doing so on this scale takes some serious dedication. Read on to find out how to do it. How to start comping. Some professional compers say they enter an average of 100 competitions a day, but this is not a target to aim for if you still want to have time to socialize and study. We'd suggest entering around 30 competitions a week as a more realistic, but still tricky, goal. Remember that this will take up a fair bit of your precious time if you decide to give it a proper go and want to start seeing a return. And, before you get started, it's worth putting a spreadsheet together where you can keep track of all the competitions you enter and the prizes you've won. This will prevent you from wasting time entering the same competitions more than once, as this can get you disqualified, too. Treating competitions like a job. The best way to start making money from competitions is by getting into the mindset of treating this as your job, and doing the following things. Plan to spend a set amount of hours a day on it. Set up a personal system for tracking the competitions you enter, for example spreadsheets. Create a separate comping email, with a different email provider from your personal account so there's no logging in and out. Set yourself some targets to work towards, for example X number of cash competitions and X freebie competitions. However, although treating this as a profession will help you achieve better results, remember that entering competitions for a living isn't really feasible, as you still have to count heavily on luck. Also, a lot of your winnings will be material products rather than hard cash, so these simply won't pay the bills. How to win competitions. These are the best ways to enter competitions and win money. Use autofill to complete digital forms quickly. To do this, simply add your details once and your computer will remember them so you can quickly add them with a click next time. Also, save a draft email with your details for any comps that require entry by email. Optimize your computer for entering competitions. For example, the Google Chrome extension Link Clump allows you to drag a box across a page and open all the links at once, which is handy for trawling competition databases. Also, Split Tabs lets you have multiple web pages open on your screen at the same time, perfect for multitasking between columns. Put effort into competitions. This is particularly relevant for creative competitions on social media. Brands want good ideas and a bit of publicity, so take time to offer them what they want. You'll also have much less competition for these ones. Keep a record of all your entries and winnings. This helps you see where you've had successes and also stops you from wasting time entering twice. This can get you disqualified, so be careful. It also ensures you keep an eye on the prizes you're due to receive, so you don't forget to claim anything. Keep an eye on your email for responses. You'll often be notified of a win by email, and if you don't respond quickly, the prize could roll on to the next contestant. Try filtering your inbox by congratulations and winner so you can easily spot these emails, but read everything carefully as it's not always clear from the subject line that you've won, and check your junk folder, too. Opt out of marketing spam. Thanks to GDPR, you now usually have to opt in to receive marketing material when entering competitions, so tick those boxes and avoid the spam. Stock up on essentials. Make sure you've always got a steady supply of postcards and stamps, just in case that dream comp comes up with a super quick deadline. Get a competition SIM card. If you don't feel like giving out your phone number to strangers, grab yourself a free SIM from O2, Vodafone or giffgaff. Check competition rules. Read the small print, look out for trick questions and pay particular attention to the closing date. Also, make sure you're actually able to claim the prize. For example, a holiday prize, but you have to travel midweek and you can't take the time off work. Join the comping community. The comping game is constantly growing and evolving, so it's worth getting involved with the close-knit comper community online. Look for forums where you can get tips. Big-name compers like Martin Duff have also written loads on the subject, so he's worth checking out. He once won a yacht through comping, so he knows his stuff.